How to create a one-page business plan, step-by-step guide. If the idea of writing a full business plan makes you procrastinate, feel overwhelmed, or just close your laptop, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a one-page business plan, a simple, powerful way to clarify your idea, your goals, and your next steps without stress. Whether you're starting a side hustle, growing a passion project, or trying to bring structure to a new idea, this one page can change everything. What is a one-page business plan? A one-page business plan is exactly what it sounds like, your entire business idea on one single page, clear, focused, and actionable. It's not for investors. It's for you, to help you think clearly, act confidently, and stay aligned. Step 1. Let's start with your brand name and vision. First, write down your brand or business name. Next up, what's your vision? What does success look like for you? Questions to ask yourself: why does this business exist? What problem am I solving? What impact do I want to make? Keep it short. 1 or 2 sentences is enough. Step 2. Describe what you do. Next, fill out your brand description, products, and service. This is where clarity matters. Explain what you do as if you're telling a friend, no jargon, no overthinking. If you can't explain it simply yet, that's okay. This exercise helps you get there. Step 3. Know your strengths and weaknesses. Now let's get honest. Write down your strengths, skills, experience, networks. Your weaknesses, gaps, limits, things you need help. This isn't about judgment. It's about awareness, because awareness is power. Step 4. Identify opportunities and threats. Look outward now. Ask yourself, what opportunities exist right now? What trends, needs, or gaps can you tap into? What challenges or threats might slow you down? This helps you plan realistically instead of emotionally. Step 5. Define your mission. Your mission is your anchor. Complete this sentence: my mission is to. Your mission should guide decisions, keep you focused when things get hard, remind you why you started. This is especially important for side hustles and purpose-driven businesses. Step 6. Add to your notes and weekly actions. Finally, use the notes and weekly planning section to answer: what do I need to do this week? What's the next small step? Progress comes from action, not perfection. A business doesn't fail because the plan wasn't fancy. It fails because there was no clarity. This one-page plan gives you clarity, and clarity creates momentum. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Or download a copy of the one-page business plan. The link is in the bio.